Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's story is how zebras got their stripes. It's going to be very interesting. Once upon a time on a dusty African plain, there lived a greedy baboon, a gentle giraffe, an amiable elephant, and the world's very first zebra. He doesn't have any stripes. The greedy baboon lived by the side of a pond. He thought the pond belonged to him. He splooshed and he splashed from dawn until dusk, playing in the water. One summer it was so hot the sun scorched the clouds from the sky. Everyone was desperately thirsty, but Baboon didn't care a bit, which is clearly a very bad habit. Giraffe was longing for just one sip of clear, cool water. She crept up to the pond, and Baboon leaped out from behind a tree. "Go away, you galumphing giraffe!" he shouted. "Find your own pond!" Giraffe turned tail and fled. He got scared. Elephant imagined sucking the water up into his trunk. It would slip down his dry throat, soothing and refreshing. So he too crept up to the pond. Now Baboon was very angry. "Go away, you enraging elephant!" he screamed. "Find your own pond!" The ground shook as Elephant ran away. Zebra had seen Baboon being mean. He trotted over to the pond. Baboon was jumping and up and down in a frenzy of rage. Zebra simply snorted and stamped his hoof. "It isn't your pond," said Zebra. "Everyone is thirsty, Baboon. You must share this water." "No," said Baboon. "I don't want to. Go away and leave me alone." Baboon turned his back on Zebra. He began to collect armful of sticks. Then he piled them into a pyramid by the pond. He made some sparks and set fire to the sticks. Flamed, crackled, and smoke billowed into the air. "Ha!" he said. "That should keep everyone away, even Zebra." But Zebra wasn't scared at all. He was extremely annoyed. He gave the fiercest snort he could and galloped over to where Baboon sat by the fire. Without stopping, he struck Baboon with his front legs. Baboon went flying into the air, and so did the sooty sticks from his fire. The sticks scattered back down and bounced off Zebra, leaving black stripes all over his body. Baboon landed with a thump on his bottom. And that is why, to this very day, all the zebras have black stripes and all the baboons have red bottoms. The end. If you like this story, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video and share it with your friends. There is a link of our Instagram in the description box. You must follow us there as well. Thank you.